The American in England, the biscuit and the hammer. There was an American man named Derek who was visiting London for the very first time. He was very excited but a little clueless about some of England's peculiar ways. One morning, Derek was having breakfast at his friend Nigel's house, who was a quintessential Englishman. Nigel made tea and placed some traditional British biscuits, which Americans call cookies, on the table. Derek picked up a biscuit and inspected it. It was noticeably hard and dry. Derek looked at Nigel in confusion and asked, "Nigel, what is this thing? Is this some sort of old stone you people eat?" Nigel calmly replied, "That's a common digestive biscuit, Derek. You dip it in your tea before eating." Derek didn't quite grasp the concept. He picked up another biscuit, and instead of dipping it, he decided he would try to break it to eat it dry. He struggled and strained, but the biscuit wouldn't budge. Finally, Derek got up, went to the kitchen, and brought back a small hammer and tried to smash the biscuit open. Nigel saw him swinging the hammer and nearly shrieked, "Oh my God, Derek, what are you doing?" Derek wiped the sweat from his brow and said, "Look, Nigel, in America, when something is this hard, we use the right tool to break it. Isn't this the traditional way to eat a biscuit in Britain?" Nigel slapped his forehead, picked up his teacup and said, "No, my friend, that is not the traditional way. Watch." And he calmly dipped his biscuit into the tea. It softened, and he ate it easily. Derek spent the rest of the day learning the fine art of British biscuit dipping, vowing never to bring a hammer to the breakfast table again.